What's good, kinfolk? Today we're making New Orleans style barbecue shrimp. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need shrimp, garlic, lemon, fresh parsley, thyme, rosemary, oregano, butter, white wine, Worcestershire sauce, Louisiana hot sauce, Creole seasoning, and black pepper. All right, let's get our prep out the way. First, mince up 6 cloves of garlic. Next, strip the rosemary leaves off the stems and give them a fine chop. Now do the same with your thyme. Pull the leaves from the stems and chop them up fine. And finally, give your parsley a rough chop. Now in the skillet, melt down a stick of butter. Once the butter has melted, add the minced garlic and let it cook for about 1 minute, just until fragrant. Then pour in a 1/4 cup of white wine and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Add a 1/2 cup of Worcestershire sauce, the juice of 2 large lemons, and a 1/4 cup of Louisiana hot sauce. Season it with a generous amount of black pepper. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, rosemary, and thyme, along with a 1/2 teaspoon of parsley. Give that a good mix. Now toss in your cleaned and deveined shrimp. And if you need a quick refresher on how to devein them, check out our salt and pepper shrimp video linked in the description. Then let them cook for about 1 minute on each side. Once they're cooked through, cut the heat, add 8 tablespoons of butter, and let it melt down. Throw in some parsley. Season it with Creole seasoning. And give it one final mix. All right, now let's get this plated. And when you make groceries, don't forget to grab some French bread, because you're going to want to sop up every last drop of that sauce. And there you have it, New Orleans style barbecue shrimp. We hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our recipes. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them Memphis be cooking.